Welcome back to Wild Berry Garage, where today I'm going to fix a gasket that's on this truck here. It's been a while since I've been needing to do it. It's been a while since I made a video, so let's get to it. Yep. So this light leaks. I have to buy a gasket, and I'm having to replace it. Apparently this has been an issue with 4Gen trucks. I don't know if it's been known or it's not been done, and they're like, we're not going to fix it. We'll just let people fix it when it starts to leak. So I've got leak spots all on my truck. Anytime it rains, wash my truck, leaks. So we're going to take it apart, clean the old gasket off, put the new gasket on. New gasket came from Amazon. It was like 12 bucks. Supposedly, it's substantially better than the stock gasket that comes. The instructions, it says you can silicone the gasket, but it's completely unnecessary, supposedly. And that looks like crap. Oh wow. Look at all that. Yup. How do you come undone? See a little latchy boy. This is how I sliced my finger off. I don't know how it's been for everybody else, but in Louisiana it's hot and humid. Good Lord, it's been gross. Alright, that's off. Let's see if we can't get this sucker off. I don't know. I just don't know. Oh Lordy. I think this is like the difficult part. I'm gonna wash this truck here in a little bit, so I'm not too worried about making a big gooby gone mess. This is working pretty good. So we got the gasket cleaned off. Looks pretty good. Try to get all the goo gone off and use some isopropyl alcohol to displace any water and goo. So it goes on like this. You have to undo the tape, make sure it fits in the rim. So we're going to do that. Huh. It's not really sticky or icky. It's like all on the tape. Did I mess it up? Did I done messed it up already? Is this a double back tape or something? Oh, yep, it sure is. Okay, so here's what I did. So I pulled the paper off, but it turns out it's like a double backing. So we're going to try to fix it. I'm getting my fat fingers all over it. Well, that's really good. Fortunately, this thing's like pretty cheap off the interwebs. Make sure you kind of fit it in where it was. I say it's going to be better than it used to be, but who knows? She's a little difficult to see. Right where you need it. Especially when you've messed the end up. Might have to order a new one, I bet. Can't get it around the ramp. Okay, so we're going to see if my messed up end will work. Worst case scenario. Continues to get Rainy and wet in there. Not like it ever really rains all that much anymore anyways. Once every other month the downpour. What am I mumbling about? What the frick? What the frack? Okay, so we're going, putting it in. My one side didn't stick really that well. Hoping under pressure it'll be nice. I guess we shall see. Worst case scenario, I have to order another one. Fortunately, it's not that expensive. And that one will probably be easier to take off. It was sticky. Or I could do like what it wants me to do. Just give me some clear silicone and run it across in there. Alright, well that's how you do your third tail light on the 4th gen. Whew. It's really hot and sweaty out here, man, if you don't know of it. That was a quick little video fixing this stupid crap. Of course, I gotta mess up everything I touch, everything I do. It'll be okay, because we'll still fix it if it's broke. Y'all have a good one. I'm not very good at this. Bye.